What's going on, everybody? I'm back with another video. It's going to be quick and short. Now that we have the winter months coming up, I just want to show you how you can insulate your outdoor faucets. That way they don't freeze up and have a bursted pipe and then you're having to repair pipes. Five simple things. These are kind of going overboard, but it'll help. First thing, insulated tape. Looks like that. Next, you have your styrofoam hose bib. It's got a little drawstring that you pull tight with. An old thermal sock. Ziploc bag. And a rubber band. You can use duct tape or some other kind of tape, but a rubber band is much easier to get off. So what I'm going to do first, get this insulated tape, tear off a little strip. I have about 1 inch of exposed pipe, so I want to make sure that's definitely well insulated. Next, I'm going to get my sock and just fold it in two, like that. Put it over it. Next thing you want to do is protect it from the weather. So at least the Ziploc going to protect it from getting wet. Put your Ziploc and your rubber band over it. And last thing is your hose bib. It's got a loop you can put over your handle, and then you just pull it tight. Super simple, easy, and hopefully it'll protect you during the winter time. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.